So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use the logic analyzer within the simulide 1.1.0. So how we can do that? Now first of all you need to open your simulide and on left hand side you need this logic analyzer. So click on it and drag it out. So now you can see that this is our logic analyzer and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 inputs. Okay, now we need to connect our 8 push switches with it or push buttons with it, and you must know that what a logic analyzer can do. A logic analyzer can tell us about the logic state of any circuit. So how we can analyze it? First of all, we can go and we can take our push buttons. So this is our first push button, the second one, this one is the third and the fourth one. So these are our 4 push buttons. So we need to connect with these with the respective inputs. Like this. So now we need to connect the other ends of all of these push buttons with that of the fixed voltage power supply. So this is our fixed voltage, click on it and drag it out. Like this. Now we need to run our circuit, and now you can see that we have opened our logic analyzer. We need to expand it out, but before doing any sort of observation, we need to increase our time division. It must be in seconds, or it must be greater than 500 milliseconds so that we can observe it properly. Now whenever we will push our first switch, you can see that our logic state has been high. And now what about the second one? This is the second, this one is the third, and that one is the fourth. So our logic analyzer is telling us about all sort of logic states on this specific time. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.